Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing. This time it's the Traxxas Maxx. It's a 4S four-wheel drive truck. It's the side view of the box, and it is the green one here. Here's the back view of the box. The top here, it's got 4S power, self-riding, clipless body mounting, waterproof electronics, and it's a 1/10 scale. Here's the other side of the truck, or the other side of the box. And here's this side, kind of gives you a little rundown of, the possibilities as far as speed with different pinion gears and setups and whatnot. Anyway, let's get this baby open and see what's inside. Plastic out of the way here. All right, and which end do we open first? I always do it wrong, so I guess it doesn't matter. It's probably upside down and turned around. Well, here we go. First thing we got here is a transmitter, and it is your typical Traxxas transmitter. Nothing special there. TQI. Pull this end out here. We'll go ahead and turn it around. Slide this bad boy out. And there she is. And of course, you got your paperwork, spare parts, and whatnot. And there she is, guys. The green Maxx. Let's go ahead and take that body off. Should just slide right off. There we go. Pretty cool. I like that color scheme. That's pretty slick. Matches the big brother over there, the X-Maxx. So we'll set that there. The new Traxxas car smell. Never gets old. Can't get enough of it. There's a chassis there. You got your VXL 4S ESC. Looks like we got a cooling fan with a heat sink over the motor. And got some big beefy tires here. What are these called here? I don't know what these tires are called. Doesn't really say here. But I like them. They're plush. They got plenty of tread on them. There's the front end there. Got them big beefy shocks. Just like a smaller version of the X-Maxx over there. You got your wheelie bar. Threaded body shocks, green to match the body. Bring it around this way here. And then you got your battery tray, which I'm assuming, okay, that's locked in, that's locked out. That opens up just like that. Pretty slick. I like that wheelie bar. It's a pretty beefy one there. Suspension feels good and plush. The body is pretty much identical to the X-Maxx over there. Front and rear bumper, pretty much the same. 4S power, so we'll try that out and see what's up. So there it is, guys. The Traxxas Maxx. With the green and blue body. Let's see if I can get that body on there. Shouldn't be too hard. I like these bodies, but they're kind of a pain sometimes to get on. Kind of hung up. There we go. We're hung up over there. There we go. All right. That is a sharp looking truck, if I do say so myself. That's pretty dope. I like that. That's a nice looking truck. Love that suspension too. It's really plush. And I like these bodies that Traxxas is coming out with these new trucks. It kind of gives, a little more meat on them so they don't get shredded when you go upside down and road rash or flip them like I do. That is a sharp truck. I really like that. Can't wait to get that out on the road. It's raining now, so it'll be a couple days before we do a riding video with it, but I'm looking forward to it. This is what you get in the box, guys. You get your bag of spare parts, the truck itself, and of course the transmitter. You need batteries for it, and you also need a 4S battery, which I have right over here. Also want to show you guys too, you know, I had to pick up the LED kit. Come on, guys. Got to get the LED kit with this. So I'll be doing an unboxing of that and probably an install video of that. And of course we got the 4-cell 5,000 milliamp hour battery to go with this baby. So looking forward to riding it, guys. Stay tuned. I'll make another video. We'll do a test run. We'll do a bash run. We'll do a speed run. So far, out of the box, I'm impressed. This is a pretty sweet little truck. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll have a run video out shortly. Appreciate you watching, and see you again next time.